A delivery man was shot dead while transporting goods at Portmore Parkway in Portmore, St. Catherine on Tuesday afternoon. He has been identified as 36-year-old O'Shane McLean from Dreamland Drive in Old Brighton in municipality. It was reported that around midday, McLean went to Portmore Parkway in a truck to deliver hardware items. While McLean unloaded the truck, a grey motor vehicle drove up. Police said a man armed with a handgun alighted from the vehicle and opened gunfire, hitting the now deceased several times. McLean was rushed by police, who were quickly on the scene, to the Spanish Town Hospital, where he was pronounced dead shortly before 1 p.m. No motive has been established for the killing. Commuters at the bus park in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, had to take cover as gunshots rang out this afternoon. Loud explosions were heard in a section of the busy transport center, which sent people scampering. Cops who were in the area responded quickly, apprehending 5 men who were seen running away from the bus park in the direction of March Pen. The security forces have heightened patrols in the areas surrounding the bus park. Over 20 children were reportedly taken from the Bai Yahweh Religious Compound in Paradise Garden, St. James on Wednesday morning during an operation carried out by the police and the Child Protection and Family Service Agency. According to a commanding officer for the Area 1 Police, Assistant Commissioner Clifford Chambers, the children were removed from the premises under suspicions of neglect and child abuse. Chambers told the Observer Online that both lawmen and the CPFSA believe that the children were also not fully formally educated. This is coming out of intelligence and information provided that the children are being deprived of formal education from institutions that are properly registered. They are also not being immunized as required by law. They are also being housed in a communal living that is not conducive to the well-being of children, ACP Chambers explained.